Hey everyone, what's up? So I was watching Lindy Glenn. If you don't know who Lindy Glenn is, she owns Bullseye Bins in Kansas. She's actually local for me. I've actually visited Bullseye Bins several times. So she was talking about a very, very common problem in bin stores. And she was talking about it from an owner's perspective. And I'm going to go ahead and cut in part of her video. And then I'm going to expand on it from a customer's perspective as someone who shops in bin stores all the time.
So I'm going to be really honest and tell you guys this is the least favorite job that I do here at the store. I absolutely hate doing this every single day. It's my least favorite task. Not because I don't like digging through stuff, but simply because this is the time where I am forced to look at all of the damaged product that customers cause. There's a lot of perfectly good items when they go in here. Whenever we put items in the bins, the boxes are good, the bags are good, everything is well packaged. And then our customers just destroy perfectly good product. And it really, really makes me angry, especially now that, the business is struggling. If I'm being honest, we're in a struggle. We're making it, but it's a struggle. It's really hurtful and infuriating to see much product that was perfectly good and sellable just get damaged by careless customers. For a while I thought maybe it's not the customers damaging things, maybe it's just things rolling around in the bins. But, this is not this is not something that's getting damaged in the bins. This is a customer just absolutely ripping something when you see what it is.
So, as I said, people ripping open boxes and spewing posts all over the bins is a very, very common problem. It's something I see all the time. And from a customer's perspective, I don't like it. So, normally in bin stores, people want to open up the boxes to see what's in it or to check the condition of an item. And most bin stores do not mind that you open up the boxes. But when people open up the boxes, they tend to rip them open and they end up strewn all over the bins. And when a box is like this, it ends up missing parts. And it kind of ruins the experience for the owner because they have to go and try and clean up the bins. And often the item is unsellable because they can't find all the parts. So they have to throw that item away, and that's lost money for the bin store. And often it just creates a mess that they have to clean up at the end of the week. And sometimes at the end of the day, they have to go and clean up these bins because of what customers do to boxes. And if you're wondering, yes, I do open up boxes at bin stores, but I do it in a different fashion. I carry around my little friend, Mr. Knife, and I cut the tape off the boxes so I can open it up neatly, look at the product, decide if I want to buy it. If I decide I don't want to buy it, I repack the box. And after I've repacked the box, I usually carry around my other friend, Mr. Scotch Tape, and tape it back up so it stays in the box. And most bin store owners actually appreciate that I do it this way. But I cannot tell you how many times I've seen a product that I would have bought, but I couldn't buy it because it was all broken or parts were all over the place where I couldn't verify that I had all the parts to it. And that's kind of frustrating as a customer looking to buy things for resale, and I can't buy a really good item because I don't have all the parts because somebody ripped the box open and scattered the parts to the four winds. So this isn't just a problem for the owners of the bin stores and the people who work at the bin stores. It's also a problem for the customers. So if you're considering shopping at a bin store, or if you are a current shopper at a bin store, I would highly suggest that you bring Mr. Knife with you and Mr. Scotch Tape and try and unpack boxes really neatly and try and put them back together for the next person. And if people did this on a regular basis, it would literally improve the experience for everybody at these bin stores, for staff and owners, and the customers. So that's about all I have to say on this subject. Please go and check out Lindy Glenn. I will link her video in the description box below. And I will also tag her in this video. Also, please check out my other social media accounts. and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Take care.